Welcome to my channel, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Coach Carver. I'm a happily married father of 4. I served almost 6 years in the United States Army, did 2 deployments to Afghanistan. I actually got injured on my 2nd deployment and was medically retired. Got into the network marketing space around 2013 and got into the trading world around late 2015. When I came into the industry, I started learning about various statistics. Statistics are such an interesting thing. Early on, I found out that the top 1% owns 50% of the world's wealth. The top 10% owns approximately 85% of the world's wealth, leaving only 15% to the remaining 90% of the population. I used to tell myself, Thomas, we need to go ahead, we need to get there, we need to be a part of that top 1%. We need to be a part of that top 10%. It wasn't until early on I heard a quote that said, if you help enough people get what they want, you will get what you want by default. And I started asking myself, how can I impact a large group of people? Like, how can I truly help a large amount of people? And after doing some research, I found out that approximately 90 to 95% of traders lose money. Approximately 90 to 95% of people within the network marketing space fail. They don't ever get to the point to where they're earning a residual. And so I started thinking, right? I'd had a traumatic brain injury back in 2013, and it was at that time I realized, I used to treat it as a handicap. I felt bad for myself, like I can't retain as many things. I stumble on my words and all this stuff, but the amount of energy and effort that has to go into, me being able to learn and retain something actually gives me the ability to simplify it and pay it forward and share it with other people. And it was at that very moment that Coach Carver was born. I no longer wanted to be a part of the statistic, and instead I wanted to change the statistic. So this is the purpose of this channel. I'm going to be putting a lot of content out there for you guys, and what I really want to do is be able to help change the way that a lot of you guys think when it comes to trading within the financial markets, the way you're building and scaling your online businesses, anything that I can do to put out there to be able to help simplify something for you or help really take your journey in the right direction. You're going to see it on this channel. Everything from Forex basics to intermediate to advanced, going over some of the marketing tips that I use and share with my team. All this stuff is going to be put here on this channel, guys. Feel free to go through the various playlists that I put together for you. Going to have a lot more content coming out. Make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Go ahead and turn on notifications, like the videos that I put out there, comment, let me know what you think of them, what you're learning from them, stuff like that. The positive feedback really helps out, lets me know like, hey, look, this stuff is good, it's helping people, and it really kind of gets me motivated to continue to make more and more. So guys, give me the feedback that you need. If there's any videos that you would like me to cover in particular, let me know, throw it in the comments, reach out to me. I'll include all of my social media links below. Guys, I've also put together a pretty cool website, a lot of amazing tools and resources for you there. I'm going to continue to evolve this channel, my website, my blog, everything for you. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Hopefully you enjoy the content on this page. Have a great day.